Top Modern Wall Decorating Ideas 2023. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most innovative wall decorating ideas for 2023. In this video, we showcase the top modern trends that will elevate your space and give it a fresh, contemporary look. From unique wall textures and finishes to eye-catching wall art and installations, we've gathered a collection of ideas that will inspire and transform your walls. Discover how to create stunning accent walls using geometric patterns, metallic accents, or natural materials such as wood and stone. Explore the world of interactive and 3D wall decor that adds depth and dimension to any room. We'll also share tips on incorporating smart technology and lighting to enhance the ambience and create a modern, futuristic atmosphere. Whether you're decorating a living room, bedroom, or office, our video has something for everyone. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of modern wall decor and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started and make your walls the envy of all. Looking for fresh and trendy wall decorating ideas to transform your space in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we present the top modern wall decorating ideas that will inspire you to create a stylish and personalized look for your home or office. From statement wallpapers to minimalist art displays, we've curated a collection of the latest trends and innovative techniques that will breathe new life into your walls. Discover how to incorporate bold colors, textures, and patterns to make a statement, or embrace the simplicity of neutral tones for an elegant and serene ambience. Whether you're into contemporary, industrial, or bohemian styles, our expert tips and DIY hacks will help you achieve the perfect wall decor that reflects your unique personality. Get ready to unleash your creativity and turn your walls into stunning focal points. Watch now and let the inspiration begin. Revamp your living space with the hottest modern wall decorating ideas for 2023. In this video, we unveil the top trends and innovative techniques that will take your walls from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a fan of sleek and minimalist designs or crave vibrant and bold statements, we have something for every taste and style. Discover the power of wallpapers, from artistic patterns to textured designs, that will instantly transform your walls into works of art. Explore the world of gallery walls and learn how to curate a collection of striking photographs, prints, and artwork to create a visually stunning display. Dive into the realm of wall panels and sculptural elements that add depth and visual interest to any room. From sustainable materials to high-tech features, we'll share insider tips and tricks to help you achieve a modern and chic ambience. Get ready to be inspired as we guide you through the latest trends in wall decorating for 2023. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join our community and stay updated with the hottest interior design ideas. Let's make your walls the talk of the town.